Well, you know, it's a feeling that we got used to during the pandemic times now with all the webinars that happened through online platforms, but it's a weird feeling, I have to say. It's much nicer to look into the audience, to see the faces and to get some feedback, and also to feel sort of the community feeling, which you can only imagine. Well, I love the concept of the patient scenarios, to be honest, because it's bringing the speakers to the point that's relevant for the patient. So we as speakers, we were forced to bring a message that could be transferred into clinical practice, which is very important. And in our session, we were in the first session of the patient scenarios with Carlos as our patient who had a clear problem. I think that the speakers and also the discussion afterwards brought very clear messages to the future dentist and to patients like this. Absolutely. I think that the concrete advice came out of the discussion finally, but it was nicely summarized by our moderator. We had very clear points how to address a patient case like Carlos and what to recommend, what not to recommend. And I would say definitely yes. Well, our daily clinical choices are very much influenced by scientific evidence because it gives us the safety that the procedures that we recommend, that we perform at our patients are sort of not experimental procedures, but well-established procedures and well-proven procedures and safe. Well, they should join the ITI anytime, I guess, not just after the World Symposium, but I think the ITI is a great association. It's an international network of experts in different fields related to implant dentistry that is a very strong and interactive network, and ITI offers a lot to their members. I think one of the biggest benefits as a university professor, as we're an ITI scholarship center, for us is the scholarships that the ITI provides, so young talented clinicians can be sent abroad and can develop their own skills and their own network and then transfer the message when they come back home again to their own bodies. And I think that the second advantage for the members is this study club concept where clinicians can meet in smaller groups, can exchange knowledge and can really sort of get information by their peers and get connected. And I think that's what the ITI is doing. It's connecting people by knowledge and by events like this as well.